Hey, Chicago ISACA chapter, Mark Thomas here. I'm going to be coming to Chicago in March so we can talk about ensuring proper governance and management over AI initiatives. So let's talk a little bit about the logistics of this course. We'll be doing this on March 13th, 2026 from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time at the CME Center in Chicago. More information about the specific location you can find on the registration site. And it's also in person. You can get up to 7 CPEs for this event. Now, let's jump into this a little bit more. What are the learning objectives for this day-long workshop? Number one, we'll talk current landscape, understand the most popular uses, benefits, and risks of AI in today's high-velocity digital environment. AI is transforming how organizations operate from automation and predictive analytics to decision augmentation, but it's also introducing new risks. We'll talk about a framework analysis. We'll look at the industry guidance for the governance and management of AI systems. We'll break down how leading guidance such as ISO standards, NIST, COBIT, and other emerging regulatory expectations that help you govern AI responsibly without slowing down your innovation. We'll talk risk response. We'll learn how to identify and respond to AI-related risks with a system tailored specifically to your organizations. You will learn practical methods to identify, assess, and respond to AI risks by building governance and management practices tailored to your organization's strategy, risk appetite, and your culture. For more information, go out to the Engage ISACA site for the Chicago chapter, or you can go to the CVent site, or you can just scan this QR code to take you right to the registration location. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time and attention. In a world where AI is making more decisions, governance is what builds confidence and trust. I look forward to seeing you in Chicago as we turn innovation into trusted outcomes. And you know me, I'll be sure you walk out with information that you can take to work the next day. I hope to see you soon.